Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting Widgy ready and creating the widget you'll put on the lock screen. Open Widgy, grant permissions for widget updates and any data sources you plan to use. Tap the plus to create a new widget, choose the exact size you want, and select or tweak a template. Once done, save and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Make sure the widget's refresh interval matches how often you want live data. Now you'll refine the widget's appearance and behavior so it works well on the lock screen. Open the editor and position text, images, and controls. Use binding options for live data and set sensible refresh intervals so battery impact is low. Preview your design at the exact size you selected. Because lock screen space is tight, make adjustments for legibility. When satisfied, save a final version. Finish by placing your saved Widgy widget onto the lock screen. Lock your iPhone, long press the lock screen, tap Customize, then tap the widget area, choose Widgy from the list and select the widget you created. Position it, tap Done, and test by locking and waking the phone. If the widget fails to appear or update, make sure Widgy has background refresh enabled. If issues persist, restart the Widgy app or reboot the phone. Then remove and re-add the widget to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.